Hi guys, I am Isa, and today I'm going to learn how to use a new programming language called Rust. Anyways, the first thing we have to do is to install Rust. Those are two ways to install Rust. The first way is by there's two ways to install Rust. The first way is, there's not two ways to install Rust. There are two Rust compilers. The first one's called rustc, the other one is called Cargo. I'm going to be using Cargo. I'll just write that and it's going to install Cargo. So, as our Cargo is installed, go to the folder you want, and then you have to write Cargo new, and then whatever name of the project. So let's name it Rust Tutorial. Now, if I see in this folder, so now let me just run the Cargo command again. So now it's created this Rust tutorial binary package. So if we go inside of it, if we go to source, we can see main.rs. So to run it, we have to cd into Rust tutorial, and we have to write cargo run. Now see that runs the project. Also, in this cargo.lock file, it just shows some info. Same thing in the cargo.toml. So anyways, I'm going to learn so if we write println, and you have to put an exclamation mark, then you could print a string. So I'm just write something, and let me compile it, and now it says that. So to make variables, I'm write we'll just say name, for example. So yeah, so there are int, strings, and boolean. Also in Rust, you have to end one with semicolons. Let's number goes to 12. Just let numbers equals to a random number. So I'm going to say what bool is equal to true. So now if I try println name, you can see that it's not going to work. Because you might be using a string with those to format with, so that's how we're supposed to do it. So if you print things in Rust, you'll need to have a string. So you have to use string formatting to get the name variable into it. So now it prints out the name variable. I'll print out the name variable. So anyways, you can also say my name is. So now it says that. You can also print, let's say, number. So if I say that, so if I say name, comma, number, it's going to put them in order. So this one is going to print out the first value, since it's the first one. This one will print out the second value. One always we're going to learn about is mutation, is mutating variables. So let's say I have this name variable and I print it. So if I if I like try to change the variable into say name is equal to your name, and I tried to put the name again, shows an error, cannot assign twice to immutable variable. So it means that the variables are immutable. So to make them mutable, write a mutee. So mutable means that they can change. So now it works properly. So anyways, now next thing we're gonna learn about is loops. So you just use loops to loop things as usual. So I'm gonna just say loop. So I'm going to set this attribute num equals to 0. I'm going to say print ln. I'm going to print out the number. I'm going to say num plus equals 1. Now you can see that it keeps on increasing the number forever, so we need to find a way to stop it from increasing. So we press Ctrl C to exit the command. So I'm going to say if num, I'm going to say if num is greater than 100, then break. So break just breaks the loop. So now it does it up to 101. So next we're gonna learn more about if statements. So let's say if if num is, you can either use equals, which means it's equal to something, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So I'm gonna say if num is equal to like 10, then print ln the number is 10. So now if I run the program, nothing happens, but let me just remove this mute. Okay, so now it does nothing, but if I set this number to 10, you can see that it's going to say that the number is 10. You can also use else statement. I'm going to say else. Until then, the number is not 10. So it says the number is 10, but if I set something else, it says the number is not 10. There's also else ifs. So let's just add another thing. I'm going to say else if. Say else if num was equal to 30, for example. I'm gonna say print ln the number is 30. So if the number is 20, it's gonna say the number is not 10. So I'm gonna just change this to the number is not 10 or 20. Or 30. Now it says number is not 10 or 30. if the number is 10, then it says the number is 10. If the number is 30, then it says the number is 30. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. So bye.